Today, we're looking at how to leverage national campaigns for your business. This is Marshall's Garden. As you can see, they sell all things to do with gardening and growing your own, that kind of thing. And they're all about eco-friendly. If they can, they look at eco-friendly gardening and basically protecting nature as part of their ethos. And what I love is that whilst they post quite a lot of the stuff the little things that you can do, like little bug hotels and things like that. What I love is this post here, because what they've done is they have seen an opportunity. So it was National Red Squirrel Appreciation Day, which is a national campaign. And then what they've done is they've said, that the species is near threatened. So if you've got any in your area, here's some advice on how to help them out. So it's kind of they've given like some top tips on what you can do to help if you see a little red squirrel out, and obviously protect them in nature. They've done some amazing hashtags here, which naturally anybody who's looking for their kind of product will be looking at in terms of their hashtags across the social channels. But then they've also built up trust. They're not selling red squirrels. They're not selling anything directly for red squirrels other than obviously some of these little shrubs. But what they've done is they've created trust because they're showing that, that they want to give back to the environment. It's not all about selling. Sometimes it's about giving back. And that is what a national campaign can do. So always make sure when you're looking for national campaigns, there's stuff that you can relate back directly to your business in some way, shape, or form, but it doesn't have to be about selling. Now, if I was Marshall's Garden, I would want to be looking at other hashtags that I could add in. So it might be a hashtag to do with, I don't know, gardening or something like that. So you just add in hashtag for gardening in here, and then you would click hashtags, and then you would basically start to have a look. So it might be gardening, or it might be just anything at all. But essentially what comes up is this. And you would start seeing all the hashtag, anyone that was using those hashtags, you would start to see all the content, and then you can start engaging with it. So, if they're engaging in, I don't know, gardening, then they might be, engaging and looking for gardening products. And then that's naturally something that then you can come up in their content, and it will start driving them back to you as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.